Are network slowdowns and disruptions becoming a regular nuisance in your office? The culprit might be hiding in plain sight, your network cabling. Picture this, a nest of tangled cables snaking their way around the office. It's not only an eyesore, but a ticking time bomb for efficiency and productivity. The solution? A well-organized and maintained cabling system. It's high time to roll up those sleeves and dive into the world of network cabling. A systematic approach to network cabling can make all the difference. It starts with a comprehensive assessment of the existing cabling infrastructure. A bird's-eye view of what's working and what's not. Then comes the fun part, untangling, rerouting and securing cables. It's a bit like solving a giant wired jigsaw puzzle. And it doesn't stop there. Proper labeling and management are crucial for future maintenance. It's like giving a roadmap to anyone who might need to navigate the network later. No more guessing games and frantic searches for the right cable. But why bother with all this? Well, a well-organized cabling system can be a game changer. It can eliminate those pesky network headaches, paving the way for a more efficient and reliable work environment. No more dropped internet connections or painfully slow file transfers. Just smooth, uninterrupted connectivity that keeps your business ticking along like a well-oiled machine. And the cherry on top? This isn't a one-time fix. With regular maintenance and proactive checks, your network cabling can remain in top-notch condition for the long haul. It's about future-proofing your business, ensuring your network can stand up to whatever comes its way. In summary, addressing network cabling issues is more than just a quick fix. It's about investing in a solution that boosts productivity, improves efficiency, and ensures your business can keep up with the digital world's demands. It's about turning a tangled mess into a well-organized, high-performing network. So why wait? Start untangling those cables and unlock your network's full potential today.